Hi, I'm Rob, this is Revived Order, and today we're looking at how you can add BNB Chain to your Metamask account. Adding BNB Chain to Metamask will allow us to get access to all of the amazing GameFi and DeFi applications built on it. Diving right in, let's begin by logging into Metamask using our password. Before we begin, I'll expand my screen as we can better see what's going on. Once in, we can see that Metamask defaults to the Ethereum network. Let's change this. Head over to the Networks dropdown in the top right hand corner of the screen. Click on the Networks dropdown, then click the Add Network button. A new page will open, taking us to the Metamask settings screen and the Add a New Network form. We will need to add some essential information so that Metamask can pick up the correct network. I have added the details to the description for you to copy and paste easily. Once done, hit save and your account is switched from the Ethereum network to BNB Chain. BNB is the token used when transacting on the network, and as such is added for you. We can also double check in the Networks dropdown, and there it is for you to switch between them easily. I hope this has been helpful to you, and if it is, consider subscribing. Until next time.